a lot of my clients tell me the share market is scary. The share market is not as scary as you think it is if you remember the following things. Number one, the share market is a long-term game. It's a long-term game. If you're thinking short-term, the share market is not for you. Minimum time frame to invest in the share market, 7+ years. The share market is a long-term game. Number two, you have the opportunity to buy global brands. So the share market allows you to buy Netflix, Facebook, Google, Commonwealth Bank. Huge companies, global companies around the world. They're very, very stable, highly unlikely to go bust. And finally, number three is you want your money to grow, it needs to be invested. If you have money in the bank account, if you have money under your mattress, it is not going to grow. Your money needs to earn at least the cost of living or inflation. If it's not earning that, you are moving backwards. So investing in the share market is an opportunity for you to grow your money. There are 3 reasons why the share market is not as scary as you think. I'm Clyde Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.